Hi everyone. This video will show you how to recover lost and deleted files in Windows 11 using 5 methods. You can try the methods according to your preferences. Method 1. Undo deletion in Windows 11. Right-click the blank area where you lost your file. Select Undo Delete. The mistakenly deleted file is recovered successfully. Method 2. Restore from Recycle Bin. Open the Recycle Bin. Select the file you want to recover. Right-click the file and select Restore. Exit the Recycle Bin. Go to the previous folder of the file. The file has been restored to the original location. Method 3. Restore previous versions to get back your deleted file. Go to the previous folder of the file. Right-click the blank space and select Properties. Switch to the Previous Versions tab. Go to Select a folder version and click Restore. Click the OK button. Method 4. Use MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Launch MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Go to Select Folder and click Browse. Select the folder you want to scan. Select the files you want to recover. Click the Save button. Select a location and click OK. Method 5. Use Microsoft Windows File Recovery Tool. Open the Microsoft Store window. Type Windows File Recovery and press Enter. Select Windows File Recovery. Click the Install button. Click Open. Enter the WinFor command following the rule on the screen subtitles. Then press Enter. Type Y. Type Y. The deleted files are recovered successfully. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.